Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome to our Motorfanatics YouTube channel and to a new video. I'm Andreas, behind the camera is Adrian. Last time we took a closer look at our Skyline and its hidden problems. Today we're gonna start working on the engine bay. Let's go! First thing we're gonna need is a little bit of painter's tape. We're gonna mark two spots on this front frame part and we'll cut it out. Why do we cut it out? To have easier access now when jumping in and out of the engine bay. Yes, I'm lazy. And later on when inserting the engine, working on the engine, or inserting the coolers and stuff like that, like intercooler and water cooler and such stuff. You may ask, why did we put painter's tape down there? Is it necessary to use painter tape when cutting stuff out? No, it's not. But we want to cut it out precisely, or let's say as precise as possible. That's why we put painter's tape down, to mark where we want to cut, to make sure it's aligned well and not somehow crooked and we won't get it back in later on. That's why we're gonna use a pencil. First thing we do is take a look for the holes in the frame and push them through to have a guidance where we won't cut. Or we shouldn't cut, let's say it like that. Little touchy from behind, that's it. On to the other side. Okay, it's obvious we won't cut to that hole, we won't cut here, and there should be another one here. There should be, but there isn't. Why? It's a broken stud. Yay, we're gonna drill it out. Motherfucker. And now we're gonna drill this piece of out. First, we need a drill. We're gonna take a small one for now. And don't drop it. And we'll start with a small pilot hole with a sharp drill. Or any drill for the matter. It's too big. I get that to hear a lot. We're gonna take a drill and a little bit of WD-40 and try our best. Ah, not in my face. Should have some kind of center hole here. And we're gonna need a sharper drill. Next, try with a little different tool. This is actually a tip for a lathe, but should suffice. That looks like it's working. It does. Now we're gonna switch to a regular drill. Here we go. That didn't work so well. A little bit more lubrication. Get the shavings out of the way. Ooh, that didn't sound well. but we went through. A little bit sideways and a little bit janky, but we are through. Now we're gonna try on the other hole what size the threads are. That's a 6mm bit. That means we've got 6mm screws for that, meant for that. And so we can drill up to round about 5 mils in the other hole. Now we need another tool to get this piece out. That will maybe break another drill. Here it is. And now back on drilling. Here we go. I'm stuck. Ooh, that's hot. That's quite hot. Like a sleeve over the drill bit. And now more lube. Everything is better with lube, and everything is more better with more lube. And now the thread cutter, 6mm, and we clean and reshape the remaining threads. Here we go, smooth like butter. Get rid of the old one, clean it a little bit. That should be enough. Dough. A little bit of new tape, making the holes again. There, there, and the last one. There. For you guys it only has been one shot. For me it has been several days. Today I'm without Adrian, but we will go on with our plan and cut out the front frame. Of course, first we will measure it, then we go and cut it out. Oh boy, a little bit scared. Don't want to ruin the car even more. I might have also been a little bit overzealous when declaring that we're gonna sand the engine bay, paint the engine bay, remove the front strut, all in one video. The screw we drilled out taught me otherwise. But let's have a look how far we're gonna come in this video. Measure twice, cut once. As my granddad and probably a lot of granddads probably used to say. I'm currently making rocket science out of it. Shouldn't be that difficult, and to be honest it actually isn't. Gonna take a measuring tape. And come on, ready? Ready? And the other side. Work on to the other side. So that's gonna be an approximation. But it did work well for that. Oh, damn it. There's a hole right here in the backside. Well, too bad for that hole. Safety first. And now on to the main event. Still scared. Oh, might put on gloves. So, I'd say Don't know if you guys caught that on camera, but it really popped. Seemed that there was still a little bit stress in the structure in the front left after all. Didn't expect that. Did not expect that. Now to the other side. So, we've got it. It's out. I don't know if you guys heard it on the camera, but on the left side, where the car had an accident, we've had a significant pop. There still was a little bit of stress in the structure here after all. The cuts seem to be as clean as they can be. We're gonna deburr the edges a little bit and consider this done for now. Look at it! There's so much room for activities! So, if you guys are new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. If you really like our videos about our car, and hopefully soon enough cars, consider leaving a like down below and subscribing. So, well, let's go to this now.